Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Kate, founder of Nodo, and today we are baking donuts. If anyone's familiar with the Nodo brand, they'll know that this is how it all began with the donuts. I spent many months trying to perfect our gluten-free bake not fried donut in my home kitchen, so I'm super excited to launch this beautiful blend, which is so easy to make. All you need to bake this recipe is 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil, and 1 cup of thick Greek-style yogurt. So we'll start off 2 eggs, a 1/4 cup of oil. I'm just using olive oil here, and a Greek-style yogurt. I'm just using Chobani. Okay, just whisk all the ingredients together. So you get a little sachet of cinnamon sugar here. We'll put that aside for later. And just combine the donut blend with your eggs, oil and yogurt. Okay, so next step, use your mold. We're using our Nodo donut molds, but you can use a donut mold from your local kitchen warehouse. So just make sure that you butter your silicone mold too, so that it prevents the donuts from breaking when you pull them out after they've been baked. Okay, now that's all mixed together, we're going to fill our donut molds. You can use a piping bag, but I'm just going to spoon it directly in. So this mixture makes 12 donuts too. So if you only wanted to make 6, you can just half the recipe, because they are definitely best eaten fresh out of the oven. So I've just really evenly filled all of those molds, so now it's time to put them in the oven. Okay, here we have it. I might have got a little bit excited and overfilled them slightly. Just pour our beautiful native cinnamon sugar into the bowl. I've just melted 50 grams of butter here to brush over the donuts before we sprinkle them with the sugar. And I'm just going to lightly brush the donuts with some butter. And check it out. I am so happy with how those turned out. Now these are definitely best eaten fresh out of the oven. So cheers. They're so good, they're so light, so fluffy, yum.